Dadaan lang namin sa ano ba kailangan ko? Namasama ko talaga yung alam ko. Kasi mapunas natin yung sisiga natin.
Lowbat na. Lowbat na.
Dalhin sa ano? Ilan na doktoran?
Pwede ka na yun sa pwede ka. Tapos ka
Yung maganda yung pag-usap natin, no? Dire-diretso. Ito na kaya? Dito ko na yun. Scotch tape? Ito na lang kayo table, oh.
Scotch tape.
Scotch tape daw. Mga tulungin. Bigyan ng mga dukha. Scotch tape. Maganda kasi yung pag-ganyan. Ayun siya, siya yun.
Yes.
Ba't naka-blue siya dito? Malayo kasi.
Malayo yung magpan eh. Yung version nila.
Okay, good afternoon. Our case is a motorcycle accident. It's vehicular single motorcycle accident. Rescue 911, may I help you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Jack. I'm concerned citizen. There's a motorcycle accident near Pasig Church. The victim lying conscious on the ground.
Okay, is he alone?
Yes?
Okay, ma'am. I need you to stay with the patient or the victim, okay? Please keep him awake and don't move him. Help is on the way.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, guys, get your ears in here. Let's proceed to the accident site.
We have been responding the almost same case from the past few weeks.
Well, it's because motorcycle riders are being rapidly increasing nowadays.
I think one of the reasons is this place is an fastest way of transportation.
And one of the most dangerous too. Okay, guys, let's go. There's the victim. I can see him from here. Okay, survey the scene. Okay, the scene is safe.
Move.
Hi, sir. We're from Rescue 911. We're trained first aiders. our hearing now. It is important for you not to move your head while asking you and while you are answering the questions, okay? Just say yes or no, or if you have something to say, that you just tell me. Okay, are you in pain? Yes. Can you move your fingers? No. Can you move your toes? No. Okay, Jack, please record paresthesia, cervical and lumbar area, suspected SCR.
Okay,
then,
noted.
Let's immobilize the cervical area then.
Okay.
Get that. Please. Okay. Cervical area is immobilized. And for your third. Okay. Your left arm. Okay, ma'am, I'd like to ask permission to capture sleeves. Is it okay? Okay, yes.
I'm Jack. I'm a first aider. Answer me without moving your head, okay?
Okay, Jack, please record. Compound fractures, humerus and forearm.
Okay, noted.
Okay, I'm gonna check the pelvic area. Ma'am, I'd like to ask permission to capture shorts. Is it okay? Okay, yes. Okay, it's fine. Okay, there's swelling on the right pelvic area. Jack, please record suspected closed fracture, right pelvic area. Okay, please bend.
Okay, noted.
Apply pressure to his pelvic area and immobilize the lumbar area while I'll stabilize the injury in his humerus and forearm.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. May I know your name? Come again, sir? So you are Juan de la Cruz. Juan de la Cruz. What's your address, sir? Where do you live? Where do you live? You live at 444 Potencial Street, Rosario, Pasig. Okay? Pasig City. Sir, may I know your age? So you are 27? 27 years old. How about your birthday, sir? Your birthday is October 21, 1987. How about your status, sir? So you are single.